back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing out a palette from W7. I've not tried any of their makeup products before, apart from the Flick and Grip eyeliner adhesive, like lash adhesive. That's the only thing I've tried, so this will be a new experience for me. But it's the Total Eclipse palette, so the front looks like this and the colours look like this. So this is quite clearly a dupe of the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda. So this is actually going to be quite an interesting one. I've not tried the Mercury Retrograde palette before. I have other Huda palettes, so I know what the quality is like, but it'll be interesting to see how this performs. Okay, so the first colour I'm going to go in the crease with, I think I'm going to go for this one here, which is called Oracle.
We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack.
That is actually pretty pigmented for a baby pink and such a pale shade. This one here, that's actually gone on quite nicely. There was a lot of kickback in the pan, so you know, if you don't like a lot of kickback, then yeah, there was a lot of that. It doesn't bother me, but it does usually mean that the products are quite pigmented if you get a lot of kickback. Right, so I'm just going to give that a little blend. Right, so just above that, so I'm going to kind of overlap it. I'm going to go in with this one here called Milky Way, which is kind of like a dusky pink. Right, okay, and I'm just going to blend that again.
We're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say.
Nice. Okay, and then on the outer part here, and I'm going to just bring it in a bit, I'm going to go for this one here. It's kind of like a plummy shade called Little Dipper. How cute.
You make me lose my mind like all the time, it still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every...
Okay. Tiny bit of fallout just here, but nothing major. So I'm just going to blend that.
Everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time, it still...
Okay, that's blended away quite a lot, so I'm just going to go over that again. Okay, so I've just gone over that again, and although I do actually really like this colour, it's not quite as intense as I was going for. So what I'm going to do is on the very outer corner here, I'm just going to kind of smoke it out into this one here called Latitude. I might dip into both.
We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you.
Yeah, so yeah, that's better. Right, and then on this inner part here, I think what I'm going to do is just cut that crease slightly, and then I'm going to go over with one of the shimmers. Okay, so I've just cut the inner half of the crease. As you can see, I've done both eyes now, and I'm going to go in. I really like the look of this one here called Bronze Age. So I'm just going to give that a swatch, and then I'm also going to swatch Orbit and Solar here, because I'm not sure which one to use. Well, they're a bit nice. So this one here is Orbit, this one here is Solar, and then this one is Bronze Age. I think I'm going to go with my gut and stick with this one here, Bronze Age.
You went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't
that's really pretty. I like that. Right, and then on the very inner corner, I think I might actually go in with that. I might go in with that orbit. So this one here. That's really pretty. Yeah, nice. Right, and then underneath, I think I'm going to take this darker purple shade on the outer, probably third, and then on the inner third, I'm going to go in with the slightly sort of the plummy shade. So that will be Latitude and Little Dipper.
Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side.
So I'm just going to go and pop some lashes and lippy on, and then I will be back. Okay, so here is the finished look, and yeah, I like it. I think it's a nice palette. For $5.99 that I paid for it, it's yeah, I think it's really good. I had minimal fallout from it. It performed well, blended really nice actually, and it's got lovely colours. There's a nice selection of mattes and shimmers in there, and yeah, the shimmers were really buttery. I think it's nice. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So I'll give you a close-up of the eyes. So this is what we're looking at. I really love how it's blended around the edges. It's diffused really nicely on this pink, and this purple, the darker purple, I'm quite glad that I ended up putting that on because I really like the way it looks. And the shimmer on the inner half, although it's not majorly intense, it's just a really nice shimmer, and it actually marries with the look quite nicely. Can't talk. So yeah, pretty. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's under